Hey, this is Will from Green Records with a 2-minute tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the relationship of channels to buses and matrices on a console. Both of these are used to route and sum audio. A bus routes and sums channels, and a matrix routes and sums buses. And either a bus or a matrix can be assigned to source a console's outputs. Let's talk about what this means practically. Buses are what we use to route the audio from our individual channels. Anytime you're routing audio anywhere, you will need to use a bus of some sort. This may just be sending a channel to your main left-right bus, or you may be sending audio at different levels to multiple locations, like to monitors, to a computer input, or to an effects unit like a reverb or delay. Each of these locations will be referred to as a mix, consisting of whatever channels are sent to that bus at whatever level they're sent. Additionally, buses allow another level of EQ and dynamics processing. You can use this to process whole mixes differently based on what's appropriate for where you're sending that mix. Or this could be used to treat groups of channels together in a submix, where channels are not sent directly to the main left-right bus, but are first sent to a mix bus where they are processed together, and then that bus is sent to the main left-right bus. This can be a really helpful way to route and treat channels together, via buses. Now let's look at why one might use a matrix to sum buses together. If a bus is being sent to only one location, like a monitor, there's no need to involve a matrix. But if a bus, or a group of buses, needs to be sent to multiple places, it'll be helpful to use a matrix to have additional separate processing for each location those buses are being sent. For example, I could send my main left-right bus to multiple matrices, each sourcing separate PA systems, like a concert hall and a lobby. So, each mixed location could have its own independent processing, but would still be sourced by the same left-right bus mix. This concept could also be applied when using submixes, or anytime you want to send any bus mix to more than one location. This would be an effective way to use buses to sum channels, and matrices to sum buses. I hope these examples help you understand the relationship of channels to buses and matrices, and how to use buses and matrices effectively.